Here's that very strange bird that I told you that they call like the snake bird, and it's because look at his body and his neck there. When he goes into the water, his body sinks. He does not float. I don't know how he does it, and all you can see when he does emerge from the water is his head, and it looks like a snake. I'm hoping I'm able to catch that, but I might have caught him coming out, I don't know. But this is the closest I've gotten to him so far. He makes a really weird sound. I've never heard a bird sound like that. Period. But I'm thinking of voice type. I'm not voice typing, so no period needed. But anyways, he is a beautiful swimmer underneath water. Very quick. And once they're done catching fish, they'll come out, spread their wings out, sun for hours. And as soon as they're dry, they dive back in. Makes no sense. Me and my husband were talking about it, and it's just weird. They'll dry off just to dive back in. It's like a kid at a pool, really. But it's really neat, the fact that his body sinks so deep in the water. And notice, his legs are actually kind of short, because like I said, I've not seen him this close. And he's watching us. Not really they're not very trusting animals. Like most of the animals I have around here hang out with me. Not this one. This is as close as he's ever gotten. And then over there is the gator sunning. He's getting huge. There's one of my birds. And there's a little tiny guy here somewhere. Where'd he go? Right there. Here we go. We are so lucky. If he goes in, you get to see it. Oh my goodness, guys, we are very lucky. There you go. Now you see why they call him the snake bird. And you can see his body does not float. We were so lucky to get that, guys. I've been here, I see him every day. I've not been able to get it. Let's see where he's gonna pop up next. But once he goes under the water, he can swim incredibly fast. And I don't even see him popping up anywhere. There he is. Did I miss it? There he is. See if we can catch him with a fish. And it's hard because you can't see where he's going. And there's one of the hawks. I don't know if I got it, but I don't know where he went, guys. He's gone. So keep it on the gator for a second. So let's see if I can find him. And he pops up with a fish, hopefully. I'm getting older, so I can't see very well, so he might have popped up. Well, I didn't catch that part, but it was neat so that you could see how he enters the water and how heavy his body is. Because he will not float no matter how deep the water is. There he is. Okay, well, I'm gonna push stop. It's getting pretty windy out here. See, I need to check the weather. It must have a cold front coming through, but it feels like a tropical storm. And there's my buddy.